welcome back to my channel. Because today is a weekend, so I will accompany my mom to the shop for daily needs. Here we are, the supermarket near from my house. Let's look for the parking first. I've got a shopping list and let's get started! First, I take the butter. Second, I take the milk. And now I'm gonna take the little milk. Here's the milk's little. Here's my little sisters. Trying to pick her diapers. Maybe one more. One more and put diapers. Check. And now we need some tissues. Buy some tissues. Yep. Wet tissues. Now we're gonna take some misses. Now we're gonna take some cereals. Then the cereals, and then for breakfast the cereals. Now we're gonna take some cows. Okay, that's not a cow. Okay, now we're gonna take some cheese. I like cheese, even my little sister. And now we're gonna take some yogurt, the blueberry one. Buy the diapers for my little sister, and we're gonna buy cereal for breakfast. We're gonna buy the rest for breakfast and milk for breakfast. Milk for myself. Tissue for baby and cheese for making what? Guys, we're gonna get smock beef now. Where is the smock beef? Can you see the smock beef? Let's see here. There we got these. Yum. I'm gonna bring this home, but I'm gonna eat the chocolate later. I'm just only gonna bring out the toys. The chocolate is for me sharing with my mom. Love you, Mom. Guys, kita sudah selesai belanja, tapi kita ada satu problem. Di sini rame, jadi kita harus nanti nantinya akan lama. Jadi kita harus nunggu. Guys, ikutan nanti ya. I am already cool, right? Guys, so yesterday we helped our mom go shopping and we got a reward. It's Kinderjoy, so let's unbox the Kinderjoy. Open it. I know, open it. I know, open it. So I can do it. I got it. Wow, yummy, yummy chocolate. Extra price. My chocolate, my favorite toys. This is my chocolate. I have a machine. I'm going to try opening the toys. Open the toys. Wow, what is this? This is wow! Wow! Look, brother! I got Crystal. You got Crystal. You want me to do this for you? No, I want you. Wow! Chocolate! Guys, helping your mom shopping is a great activity. And a chocolate is the bonus. So always have your